Wait, can you believe we are at this point in the year already? So you've made the vision board, you've written all your goals in January to start the new year, but months have passed now and you have not taken any action to move any of these goals forward. But you're not alone. Studies show that 80% of people actually abandon their New Year's goals by February. Can you believe that? And most of them never even look back at those goals. Well, that's not going to be you. This video is going to be your reset to realign your money and your momentum. Whether you have been here before or this is your first time, thank you so much for watching. I'm grateful you are here. All right, let's get into the video. Number one, let's check our mindset. If you are feeling behind, I get it. I understand it. We've all been there. But let's not lose more time worrying about the time that has already gone. Because if you do, you're going to end up with an entire year's worth of regret instead of just a few months. Now, you may have had some great plans at the beginning of the year. You may have even done your vision board and felt proud of it. But goals without any actions behind them, without any rhythm, is just gonna turn into pressure. And when you start facing a lot of pressure because nothing is happening, and that's mental pressure, right? It's going to make you feel paralyzed. And now you feel like, well, I just can't do anything or I can't get anything done, which is not true. So here is the shift. This is not failure. This is feedback. It's just a checkpoint to help you get recalibrated. So you're going to ask yourself these questions. What is currently working right now in my life, in my finances? Where are you spending energy right now that's not giving you any results? And the next question I want you to ask yourself is, what have you been avoiding that you really need to give some attention to? Now, when you ask yourself those questions and you actually answer them, you'll have more clarity about where you really are. And it's not about judgment or more reasons to feel bad. You want this data to know exactly what actions you need to take to start getting that momentum, to start seeing some progress. All right, let's move to the next one. The money reset. Let's simplify your finances. If you have not looked at your finances in a while, you need to. We know that a lot of people avoid looking because of that pressure and that anxiety, but you have to look at it to finally get peace about recalibrating and about the actions that you need to take. You can't guess. You actually have to know what the data is telling you. So let's try this. Review your last 2 to 3 months of spending. What surprised you? Are you still spending money on the things you said you would stop spending money on at the beginning of the year? Next, calculate your monthly personal profit margin. Your income minus your expenses. Whatever is left over, that's your margin. What is it? And if you have no margin, then you know what you need to do. You're going to have to either reduce some of these expenses, which usually that's the first thing you do, kind of cut out what you don't need to spend money on. And then the next thing is going to be figuring out how you can increase your income. Next, make sure you automate those savings. See, this is something I cannot speak enough about. Game changer for me. I've said it in many videos. It can help you. Go ahead and automate those savings. See, if you had automated a savings of $100 every month, you would have had $600 by now with no effort, right? You wouldn't have to do anything. It would automatically be happening. And if that money is coming out automatically, you know what? You don't see it. You don't think about it. You work with what you have left. Make sure you have some kind of a budget. Give every dollar an assignment so you know exactly where all your money is going. So right now, you don't need a whole full financial makeover. You don't want this to feel overwhelming. What you want to do is know where you stand by reviewing your expenses, taking these small actions so you can feel in control of your money again. Now, if you need more specific money moves, I have a video, 5 money moves to make before payday. I'll link it in this video or in the description below. I think that may help you as well. Next one, number 3, rebuild your momentum. Maybe you started the year with some big and exciting financial goals. Maybe you wanted to start an additional income stream. Maybe you wanted to get a raise at work. Maybe you wanted to pay off a debt that you had and nothing has happened. That's okay. You don't need to do everything at this point. You need to commit to just one thing for at least the next 90 days. And when you're able to take real action towards one thing, you're going to start feeling better about yourself, and it's going to help give you the motivation and the drive to do something else, to keep going, right? That's the momentum that you need. So here's what you're going to ask yourself. What small move, if I made it, would feel like progress right now? What have I been overthinking about versus just taking action on? Momentum is not going to come from doing more. It's going to come from just doing something that matters the most right now. And one thing, if you're thinking about an additional income stream and maybe you're feeling overwhelmed and not knowing how to choose what that side business should look like, I have a video. I'm going to go ahead and link it here or in the description below that will help you figure out how to decide which side business may work for you. Number 4, realign your time and your energy. A financial reset isn't just about money. It's about your time and your energy levels as well. If you've been feeling kind of scattered or drained, maybe your energy and time is being pulled in too many different directions. So try this. Audit your week. Find out exactly where your time and your efforts, your energy is actually going. What is it that's draining you but not helping you to move your goals forward? What you can do to help is start one rhythm. Maybe every Sunday you do a Sunday reset, and it's like a money check-in where you're reviewing everything that happened that week to make sure that you stay on track with your goals. When it comes to money, sometimes the smartest decision you can make is what you stop doing, not what you start doing. Number 5, you are just recalibrating. Don't quit on your year. It's not over yet. Don't throw away the vision because you've had some delays in starting. This reset doesn't mean that everything is all wrong and now you're going to have to start all over. It really means just understanding where you are with clarity and taking real actions right now to get the ball moving. Now, I want you to say this with me. I am just recalibrating. This is still my year to build peace and progress on my terms. Now, if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll link some additional videos I think will help you below. Until next time, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.